I'm Mariel Hinon. I'm here to recite 3 sets of 10 commandments of safety driving as driver. Number 1. I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Number 2. I will not pass without care or curbs, nor hells, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. Number 3. I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. Number 4, I do not disobey highway sign and traffic signals. Number 5, I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. Number 6, I do not accelerate my speed at school, playground, hospital, and other dangerous zone. Number 7, I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. Number 8, I do not glare my headlight on approaching cars at night. Number 9, I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe roads conditioning are before me. Number 10, I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrian. Second set of 10 commandments of road safety. Number 1, thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Number 2, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Number 3, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4, thou shalt not take any chances. Number 5, thou shalt not buckle up thy kids. Number 6, thou shalt not drive on the bright. Number 7, thou shalt not drive when the light or with faulty lights. Number 8, thou shalt not adhere to the speed limit. Number 9, thou shalt not keep the distance. Number 10, thou shalt not practice patience. The last sets of 10 commandments are the self-clearance. Number 1, keep right. Number 2, observe road courtesy. Number 3, prohibited parking. Number 4, in the doubt, do not overtake. Number 5, the bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop soon. Number 6, rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. Number 7, observe traffic management measure. Number 8, the philosophy of Pinoy driver, first come first serve vehicles. Number 9, on pedestrian. Number 10, remember the international driving safety reminders. And I thank you.